Today, we will be talking about the InkSonic R1390 DTF Printer, a complete commercial-ready solution that makes custom apparel printing easier, faster, and more profitable for small businesses and serious creators. If you are curious about the latest price or want to purchase it today, make sure to check the Amazon link to this DTF printer in the description below. This machine is built for people who want professional results without dealing with the complexity and limitations of older printing methods. With its A3 size capability and 6-color CMYK ink system, the R1390 delivers sharp details, rich colors, and strong white coverage that looks excellent even on dark fabrics. The 2880 dpi output really shows in fine artwork, logos, and photo-based designs, making your prints stand out from basic heat transfer options. One major advantage is DTF technology itself, which means no fabric pretreatment, broader material compatibility, and transfers that can be stored and pressed later when needed. The adjustable air suction system keeps the film flat, reducing misprints and protecting the printhead during long sessions. What makes this bundle especially attractive is that it includes everything to get started right away: the printer, oven, heat press, inks, transfer films, maintenance supplies, and even a laptop, which is great for users who want a dedicated setup. Ease of use is another strong point, with guided manuals, video tutorials, and responsive customer support that helps beginners avoid costly mistakes. On the downside, the print speed is not very fast, so it may not be ideal for high-volume factories, and regular maintenance is still necessary to keep ink flowing smoothly. Still, for small businesses, print shops, and creators focused on quality and flexibility, this printer offers excellent value. To see current pricing, bundle options, and availability, make sure to check the link in the description below and decide if this is the right upgrade.